Hi everybody, it's Crafting Journey with Rebecca. I just wanted to come on here really quickly. Yes, I made a big mistake this morning. I accidentally deleted the video from last Saturday. So, yeah, I was in a bit of a funk because I did that. But through the help of some amazing YouTube friends and co-creators, they were helpful in getting me to restore that video. Unfortunately, what's not restored is the comment section. Now, this was a video that I needed you to leave your comment. And what I was asking you to comment on was one of the 6 Hooters and Heifers. Just name any of the 6 Hooters and Heifers that make an appearance during the second hour of that video. And if you've already left a comment on the video and it is gone now, I am so sorry. But if you want to leave another one, please go back to that video, leave another comment. Because those comments will go into a random comment picker this Saturday. I think it's the 22nd, where we will draw another name for the GB Maltese and Crafting Journey with Rebecca Valentine's Day collab. And that winner will go into the final drawing for the grand prize. I don't want anybody to miss out on that. You do not have to sit through that 2-hour video again. Unless you just want to, that's fine too. I've got the progress on that diamond painting in front of me. I've been at my son's house. I'm not going to lie. I haven't worked on it since the last time I saw you, but I wanted to come home really quick. I'm at his house taking care of the animals, but I came home really quick to record this video. I wanted to get it out to you. I wanted to get an explanation out to you as to why you were seeing this as a new release video, where there were no comments and you had already seen the video before. So it's not a new video. When you see it, it'll have the same thumbnail that it had when it was originally released this past Saturday on the 15th. The same, nothing's changed except there are no comments. So please go back and leave a comment so that you can get in on that drawing as well. Thanks for taking the time to stop in and hear all about my boo-boo, so to speak. I think we all learn lessons every single day in this arena, and I've learned some today. Some of my co-creators have learned some, and we're all moving forward. So I will see you live tomorrow on Craft With Me Wednesday when we're going to do loom knitting again, and then I will see you again on Saturday for the Valentine's collab when I will do the drawing based on the comments that you're going to put on that video that uploaded today. So take care, and I'll see you then. Bye.